Hey everyone, it's Jared here, and today I have a very important video for you. Now, this video probably won't get as much views or as many comments and stuff because there's not any flashy playing or anything like that. But I do believe it's probably the most important video for you to actually learn how to develop real progress in your drumming. So I'm on my phone. I think my average screen time is like 3 to 5 hours a day, okay? It's embarrassing. But the point is that I'm really researching what's happening in the music education communities. You know, I run Drumeo, Guitareo, and Piano, Recordio, and so we deal with musicians all day. And so my job is to understand the culture of these people, these markets, and really understand what's going to motivate them and engage them and inspire them to actually practice. I've said it so many times, but it's our goal to get people to start playing music and stay playing music. This is what's most important. Without students, we don't exist. I have no way to put food on my table. So it's very important to me that you really feel like you're making progress and you know how to make that progress. And I think with all the information online these days, it's really easy to get lost. It's really easy to just go down rabbit holes and then end up an hour into your practice session and have accomplished nothing. Okay, so here is the way for you to develop progress. The one thing that you need to do right now, right after watching this video, is you need to figure out that North Star. Where are you going? Now, this thing needs to be something tangible. It needs to be not just a goal, but it needs to be something that you're actually working towards, like a gig, but not just, I want to play a gig. You need to book a gig, okay? You need to do a recording session, and not just, I'm going to book the studio then, but you need to book the studio then for that time. You need to commit to it. You need to pay the money, say, I'm going to the studio in that day. Or you can do something simpler. You can simply say, on this date, I'm gonna pick up my phone, I'm gonna set it here, and I'm going to record a song or a solo. And whatever I record on first run through, I'm gonna post on social media. The point is that you need to put that pressure on. You need to put that pressure on yourself, because I think that's what's really gonna motivate and inspire you to actually put in the time. But more so than that, if you say you're going to be doing a recording session on this date and you're going to be recording these 3 songs, well then you know what to practice. You're going to be practicing those 3 songs. Okay, what techniques are associated with those 3 songs? Well, there's some fast singles. Okay, well you need to practice some faster singles. You need some new fills because you don't like the fills you're using in there. Well, here's some new fills, vocabulary that you can practice. But the point is that you're working towards that one thing. Everything is determined for you based off of that North Star, based off of where you are going. So I'd recommend trying to set these milestones at around the 2 or 3 month mark. So think about that right now. 2 or 3 months from now, what are you going to do? Don't say, I'm going to record. Say, on this day, I am going to record at this studio and I'm going to record these songs. You must be very specific. If you're specific, all the details will be laid out for you. You won't be messaging me, telling me that you don't know what to practice, you're not making any progress. Believe me, if you know in 2 or 3 months from now, you're doing this thing that a lot of people are gonna see, or potentially a lot of people are gonna see, you will work hard. And if you don't work hard, if you don't care, well, then that's gonna tell you something else about yourself and your commitment to the instrument. So right now, what I want you to do in the comment section below, I want you to post your drumming North Star. What is your drumming North Star? 2 or 3 months from now, what are you going to do? Please post it in the comments if you're feeling so inclined. I'd love to read them all. And let's all focus on getting better, but not just getting better at practicing random beats and fills and parroting other drummers online. Let's get better at developing your unique style. Because if we do that, if we develop your unique style, it's only going to inspire more and more people to start playing, to start and stay playing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a little bit different. Please spread the word if you agree with the message, and I will see you in the next lesson.